Hi all, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you my makeup routine and I use only 5 products. I don't use the foundation or anything. I just use these products. So let's start with Kajal. This is from Lakme Iconic Kajal and I'm going to give the links of these products in my description so you can go and check it if you want, and these are quite affordable. Like all my products are under 1000 rupees, so yeah. Blink blink blink. So done with kajal. Next, we are going to use the mascara, which is from Maybelline New York Hypercurl Waterproof Mascara. Like, I'm using these products like from past 2 years. I never switched to some other products because these are my fave products, like go-to products. Done with mascara. Also, I'm going to use them on my eyebrows. Yeah, and if you want me to try some other products, just comment me so I'll try them and give you the review. Yeah, you can use mascara as your for your eyebrows as well. Yeah, so done with mascara. Now let's do eyeliner. This is from Maybelline New York, the Colossal Bold Liner. It is long lasting. Like it stays. I apply it in the morning and it stays till like night. I go to office wearing this. So by that you can know, right, how long lasting this Maybelline product is. Let's apply it on the other eye. I'll try some other product also if you recommend me, because I never switch from these products because I use it, so I know that how they are, and no, I really like them. So I'm just showing you my basic makeup look. Let's apply a little more. Yeah, so this is how I apply eyeliner. And next, let's go to lips. I'm going to use this tint. Let's use it on cheeks first. This is Water Fit Tint X. I'll provide this link in the description. It really gives like pinkish, uh, cute shade to your cheeks. Yeah, let's add it on nose. Apply it on nose as well. Next, we'll apply it on lips. How nice shade! You can really see the shade, right? Pinkish. You can apply more on cheeks if you want to. I am just applying little because I don't apply much. Done with tint. Now let's apply lip crayon, which is from Swiss Beauty in the shade Cafe Mocha. I apply these both because at the end the shade which it is giving is really what I love it. This shade is really nice, like the mixing of the tint and the lip crayon. So I'll also provide the price of these products in the description. Yeah, so done with the lipstick. So this is the look. So you can see, wait, I'll show you my earrings. These are from like I ordered them from Instagram page. I'll give the description of this product as well, in links of this products as in description. But really, this earrings I ordered in like few more I have ordered. They are really amazing. Like seriously, you can go check it. They have many other like designs, varieties in their earrings collections, so you can go check it. Next, I'm going to wear bracelet, and this is from Giva. I'm pronouncing this right or wrong, I don't know, but yeah, I call it Giva. Yes, so this is the final look. Thank you for watching this video. Bye bye.